In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple Binance accounts on the Binance app, providing a step-by-step guide to easily switch between them. Let's dive right in to make this process as smooth and seamless for you as possible. First, make sure you have the Binance app installed on your device, and it's updated to the latest version to ensure the best functionality and support. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up the Binance app. You'll need to log in using your main Binance account credentials. As you do this, remember to keep your login details secure and private, avoiding sharing them with anyone to maintain the safety of your accounts. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the profile icon. It's usually situated at the top corner of your screen. Give it a tap. You'll notice an option that says Switch Account, also located towards the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Switch Account. This feature is where all the magic happens, allowing you to seamlessly integrate and manage multiple accounts. Once you are in the Switch Account section, you'll see a plus symbol or a plus icon on the top right. Tap on this plus symbol to proceed with the addition of another account. This is where you can add new accounts to your Binance app, making life a little bit easier by keeping all your accounts accessible in one place. At this stage, you will need the login credentials for the other Binance account you wish to add. Carefully enter the correct details. Accuracy is key here to avoid any login issues. It might be handy to double check these credentials if you have them saved somewhere secure, just in case. Logging in with the additional account's credentials will finalize the process of adding that account to your app. Remember, keeping each of your account credentials structured and secure is crucial not only for the safety of your funds, but also to ensure you're following best practices when it comes to online privacy and security. Now that all your accounts are set, switching between them is a breeze. Whenever you need to access a different account, simply navigate back to the Switch Account section. From there, all the accounts you've added will be displayed. Tap on the account you wish to switch to, and just like that, you'll be logged into the selected account. By following these steps, you can manage and streamline the flow of your activities within the Binance app, staying organized and efficient. This functionality is particularly useful if you have multiple investment strategies or are managing accounts for different purposes. With this capability, your operations can run smoothly without the hassle of logging in and out repeatedly. Thanks for watching and enjoy your enhanced Binance experience.